Have you ever wondered what lies beyond the hustle and bustle of Bangkok? Today we're going to take a journey to Nonthaburi, a province nestled just north of Thailand's lively capital. Our day begins on the serene island of Ko Kret, located in the heart of the Chao Phraya River. This tranquil oasis is a showcase of the Mon culture and traditional pottery. It's a place where you can meander through charming streets, indulge in local cuisine, and soak up the island's peaceful atmosphere. Next, we embark on a scenic boat ride along the Chao Phraya River, departing from the Nonthaburi Pier. As we glide along the water, marvel at the picturesque riverbanks, waterside communities, and the stunning city skyline that unfolds before your eyes. Our journey then takes us to the heart of the local lifestyle at Nonthaburi Market. This bustling hub brims with fresh produce, street food, and handicrafts. It's a chance to savor the authentic Thai flavors and immerse ourselves in the vibrant local culture. As the day unfolds, we step back in time by visiting the ancient temples of Wat Chaloem Phra Kiat and Wat Chaloem Phra. These historical sites, with their intricate architecture and ornate details, beckon travelers with their splendid Buddhist art and sculptures. They provide a serene environment ideal for meditation and spiritual reflection. A trip to Nonthaburi is not complete without participating in the spiritual holidays. Imagine joining in the jubilant celebration of Songkran, Thailand's New Year, or releasing intricately decorated krathongs into the river during Loi Krathong, creating a magical spectacle of lights. Throughout the year, Nonthaburi hosts various cultural and local festivals like the Nonthaburi Red Cross Fair, which showcases local food, music, and entertainment, providing visitors with a glimpse into the region's vibrant traditions. After a day filled with exploration, Nonthaburi caters to all types of travelers with diverse accommodation options. From homestays and guest houses to mid-range hotels and even opulent luxury hotels, Nonthaburi has something for everyone. So there you have it, a day filled with cultural richness, spiritual significance, and vibrant festivals in Nonthaburi. This province offers an unforgettable and immersive travel experience, whether you seek serenity, adventure, or cultural exploration. So why wait? Pack your bags and venture into the enchanting province of Nonthaburi. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel insights and adventures.